back on this freeway and show him what's what, because who are you honking at?
Rollo, stop!
Stop!
What's up, Winnie team? Okay, I gotta do this really fast because Katie went downstairs. I have put something on the back of our car that say honk. I'm pranking my girlfriend, so hopefully people honk and keep honking at her, She gonna be like, why does everybody keep honking at me? She gonna get mad when I tell y'all she got road rage. It's so funny. Y'all finna be so dead. So I had to hurry up and do this intro real quick. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so y'all know every time we post. Let's get it, let's go, let's hope that this works. Yeah, y'all. I got the nappy hairstyle today. Nappy boy, pretty boy hairstyle going on. You know.
You moved my car?
No, I moved it.
Oh, I thought Big Head moved my car. Yeah. You moved.
We gotta go to Walmart and then we was going to see my friend Chaz.
So when I put my hood on,
She's so irritated. See you to the vlog.
What's the deal?
She got stuff she has to dump out the car or whatever because look, our trash can't be full. So we be having to dump stuff elsewhere. We broke this TV. As y'all can see, it's broke. So
I didn't break it.
I broke it because I was mad, mistakenly. Yeah, so we gotta throw it out. So that's what we finna do. So I guess.
Is he looking at me?
Yes, he's looking at you.
Girl, I was not even thinking about dog.
Why was he? What you
I
doing?
don't even know. That's why I was like, is he honking at me? I was so confused. Because now I want to get back on this freeway and show him what's what. Because who are you honking at?
Girl, you must have did something wrong if you
I put
honking
my
at you.
blinker on and merged over. I don't know what dog problem is. I didn't do nothing. We weren't even in the same lane. Nobody was behind me when I merged over. So what are you having an attitude for the other lane?
Obviously, it's something you did wrong.
To him, I didn't do anything wrong by law. He just having a bad day. But he lucky I had to get off that freeway or I would have told his hey.
Why would you do this as soon as I start the vlog?
No, because who is he honking at? Girl, I wish I would have stayed on that freeway. Because me and dog would have been into it. Because I didn't even do nothing to you. You just mad. You see me. I put my blinker on. I checked my mirrors. And then I merged. And then he wanna I will honk your ass.
Why was you mad? You can bag it to that spot over there.
Okay, reverse. Come on, Cindy, you can move from right here, honey.
Bag in right there. Between the red and that other car.
Girl, I'm about to pull in. What you mean, bag in?
Bag in.
For what?
Because we need to be bagged in. Fine. Go ahead.
Girl, you wasting time. You trying to procrastinate buying this gift card and shit.
Girl, bye.
You need to put...
Our camera died, so I'm using another camera.
Girl, let me get off this car because her car is way too...
We're going in through that entrance. I need to mark it.
Her car is way too forward.
All right, y'all. We at Walmart. I'm going to start the vlog back when we get in there. So basically not that tall.
Yeah. I'm trying to tell you my last dying wishes. You want to sit up here and make a joke?
You said you wanted as tall as you.
Yes,
like that's
I want that boy like 6 feet, like me.
No.
You hate it.
You said tall like you like. I had it behind my mama, guys.
Hey, them celebrities be suing the draws off people.
It don't even be them. It be their company. Like, you know, they management.
Man.
They management be the ones that do that, though.
Yeah, they will sue the
and they just
draws
get
off
paid
of
for
you if you take their stuff. Do you hear me? Like, they be doing too much. It's just a little music. I'm just trying to hype up my little video. That's why I'm gonna use all my brother's music. They ain't gonna sue me. But I want to beat this bitch.
Rollo, stop!
Cause what are they doing?
I don't know. was in her way. You seen her face?
I'm driving. She was in. Girl, she better leave me fucking alone.
No, you did swerve and get in their way. That's why the lady right there even looking.
Girl, because
you got in that car way. You know you got in that car way now.
That car was in my way, but I'm on the road. It's just me. That's
no, you got that car. You got in their way. That's
but I'm saying, but why is she?
Even when she rode past, she talking about.
Right, she like ugly ass. Like, why is she sitting there looking like that?
Like, because
girl look that picture with the little ponytail. She be like, that's how
she did that because of what you did.
Just looking dumb, girl. Cause we really can fight. It's on the floor. Don't I hate one thing?
You did swerve over quick as hell. Like that girl probably almost hit you. How are you mad?
She want to sit here and honk her horn at me. Like, girl, I barely was even. First of all, she honked her horn before I even got in her way. So I'm I'm talking
about the second girl, not the first person. The first person was not your fault.
Yeah, she wanna.
The first person wasn't your fault. It was two cars looking.
Just ugly.
The first one wasn't your fault. The second one was your fault though. The first one I don't know why, but the second one you swerved quick and the girl was behind you. Hell, that's why she honked and looked at you.
That shit just pissed me off.
The way she looked at you.
No, for real. She bad. She like, girl, you ugly. Like, go on somewhere. And she want to see her have attitude at me. No, she was honking at me before. I didn't even do nothing.
The first person. No, I don't know why that person was honking at you, but the second person was started honking at you because
and then you
swerved.
take your motherfucking side like you don't even know what happened. That car was behind me.
I did. Yellow car.
Right there. I ain't in that type of mood right now.
We play a game called Yellow Car. If you see a yellow car, because a yellow car is very odd to see. So if you see one, you hit them. And now she mad because she got hit because of the yellow car.
This is, ooh, Jesus, take the wheel, please.
Oh, you got into the second person way. I would have honked at you too. It was not, I would have had your back if she didn't make that ugly face. she
said looking dumb.
That's what made it.
Jesus, oh my God.
That's what made it funny.
I should have followed her ass.
That's why I started laughing, because why would she make that face at you?
She ugly. She talking about, like, girl, you don't go. And then it's funny because I looked ugly back at her.
What face you make?
Because you know I be like, because what the fuck? Girl, what is you looking at? I be ready to pull over and get cracked. Don't play with me on this road.
That's why you really should leave stuff alone. You should really leave people alone.
I was being honked at before, and it's just so sick because you be the first person that be wanting to throw juice and fight out in the road because
if it was their fault, you know I would have been doing
it. You done got it so.
But it honestly was not them.
When people throwing back and forth stuff at our car because you 6 in the morning.
Why you gotta tell the
want to throw open Mountain Dew in some man's car?
Why are you telling the vlog that though?
Wasting my doggone pop. No, let me tell y'all this. Since she want to make it seem like I'm the one that's bad on the road. She taking me to work one morning. My niece in the car. So this one guy was doing too much. He was. AJ decides, once I stop, she decides to take it upon herself and opens up my brand new fresh Mountain Dew and throw it in this man's car. This man was so mad, he threw the doggone laptop or tablet, whatever he had in his hand, he threw it at the car because it wasn't no bottom. So she want to sit up here and make it seem like I'm bad for a little swerve, but you, and then I'm the girl up East Warren. When the man
okay, they were in the wrong. Do y'all understand this? Y'all would have seen me act the whole ass. I'm not gonna cap. Would have seen me act the whole A word if they was in the wrong. But she was the one in the wrong. So this time, it did the girl make the ugly face, so it didn't make it no better. I couldn't cuss nobody out that made something funny. I don't know why she would have got cut into.
Childish.
But
who is girl? I'm talking about who is that? I was gonna find out who she was. I was gonna follow her to her destination.
She is funny though. She talking about. Because you swerved, I would have did the same thing. Like, bro, what is you want?
Because
you can't
why
be mad.
is she honking her horn at me?
The other person was honking their horn at you.
Somebody was honking. I don't know who was honking. But everybody could have got it. I'm ugly. Like, she looked, all she needed was a little, if she ain't had that bonnet or scarf on her head, all she would need is a little ponytail. That, girl, she probably is bald headed, as a matter of fact. Because why is you out here with a bonnet or a headscarf on? I'm confused.
Now you mad.
It's 4 o'clock. Sit here and say I was inside driveway. So I guess I was in the guy way earlier too. I don't be in these doggone. I'm trying to stop cussing. Jesus, help.
Yeah, y'all need to help her because she can't stop.
Give me another set of words or something. I didn't know vocabulary there. Maybe I'm gonna
Make
learn
your own.
Spanish. Maybe like crasher.
It's
I'll be like, what?
Crap.
At this point, I'm finna drive at 10 and 2 because every little thing I do, these motherfuckers got a problem. Let me just drive at 10.
How do you even know they were honking at you?
Because it was only me and him on that bend. It was just me and him. Dog right here in this BMW, he didn't hit the bend until after the hump.
I don't think that nobody was honking at you. I heard it, but I didn't see it. I didn't even see the car that was coming from.
Your knuckle ever is.
Yes.
That's weird. It's I'm finna punch somebody.
Girl, bye.
That's because I'm finna. God is making the itch because he knows. Is he still looking at me? Because my fist is still up.
Girl. Why are you girl?
Because I'm
Thank you.
confused.
Sorry. Whatever you did, I don't know what
Because
you're
it ain't sis
confused
back
for.
there. So it had to be her. She the only person that could have honked that horn because sis up there, we know the people behind us.
So what if it's just Jenny?
No,
being
it's
that- Jenny
who
might
is
want to
Jenny?
just,
Oh,
who was in the car. Jenny
Girl.
might want to just be at you today.
Jenny. Not on the road, honey. I'm sensitive on the road.
Jenny behind us in the car. Jenny is behind us. What's up, winning team? So it's the next day, and y'all, I forgot to even tell her about the sign on the back of the car. We ended up chilling with some friends and eating and everything, so it really slipped my mind. And when we drove back home, it was nighttime, so nobody was honking at her anymore. So it literally slipped my mind. So it's the next day. She out there. The sign is still in the car. She don't even know that it's still in the car. So we finna tell her why everybody was honking at her yesterday. Y'all ready, gang? Let's get it. Let's go.
You ready?
You remember when all those people was honking at you yesterday?
Yeah.
Go look at the back of the car.
Wow, what's on there?
Just go look.
Bro, what type of... So you had me sitting here in traffic cussing these people out, ready to get out the car and scrap. And when did you even do this?
Right, you were in the house. That's why I put the car back, so you couldn't see it on the back of the car.
Oh, okay. I see what type of time we on. Okay. All right, bet. I see what type of time we on.
I already know.
Really?
It's a dub. You started the prank wars. I just finished it. That's just what it is. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and y'all need to talk to your mans and get her to stop cussing people out on the road. So see y'all for the next video. I won. Team AJ in the comments.
Never.
You know.
We never coming at.
Yeah,
We
it's
never
that.
coming at.
It's